All right. So we've done the first two. Let's go ahead and do number 3. What is this thing that we write in sometimes? Notebook. Notebook. Chop the first sound. Mm, What's our sound that we know? Nina, Newt. What's the other one on our sound card? Nest. Now, if you hear more sounds for notebook, write all the sounds you hear, notebook. Stretch it out and write as many as you hear, then put your pencils up. Notebook. If you hear more sounds, write them. I see 3 pencils in the sky. All right, box number 4. What do we see here? Iguana. Iggy inchworm. Also on our sound card, look. What do we see on our sound card for Oh, I'm sorry. Igloo. Hey, shh. So you should at least have the first sound, but I bet you hear more sounds too that you might know. Iguana. Pencils high in the sky. Once you're finished, don't talk. Number 5. What's the picture here? Tiger. What sound is first? Tyra, tiger. You got it. T. Stretch that word out. Tiger. Maybe you hear more sounds. All right, number 6. Box 6. What do you hear here? What is this? Rabbit. What sound do you hear for rabbit? I hear about 3 people. What letter do we write? R. Rabbit. All right, let's finish our last row. We're going to go quick on these last 3, then we'll do the bottom later, okay? Number 7, this is a pea pod. What do you hear in pea pod? What letter is that? P for Perla porcupine. Also P for, what's on our sound card? Pencil. Shh, write it. Number 8. What is this right here? Turtle. Turtle. What do you hear first? Like Tyra, tiger. That's right. What letter do we put? T. Turtle. And then our last one for right now. Pumpkin. Hey, what do you hear first for pumpkin? What letter is that? P. That's right. Pumpkin. All right, guys, I want you to leave your things on the floor. We'll finish this bottom part as soon as we get back from lunch. Leave it right on your spot. All right, so let's get finished here. Look at the bottom part. It says use the sounds to read the word. Add an S to make a new word that your teacher says. So let's look at the first word. This one's an easy one. We've sounded this one out before. At. Cat. That's just one cat. Now let's make a new word. I've got most of the word for you. Let's make the word cats. What do we add to the end to make it say cats? What sound? Okay, this. What letter? S. So go ahead and add your S. And let's see what that new word that we made is. What's the new word? Cats. And look, I put a picture so that you would know it's cats. Okay, number 2. Let's sound this one out. What's the first sound? Then what? The last sound. So let's tap it on our arm. No S. Put it together. Tap. Now let's make the new word. Look, there's more than one. So we want to say caps. Caps. What do we add to the end? S. Add your S to the end to make that new word, caps. Last one. Let's do this one. Here we go. Guys, my pointer is on the sound. What is this sound? At. Rat. What is that word? Rat. But over here, there's more than one. So it has to say rats. What do we put there? S. Guys, listen. Let's read our words again. Come back up here. Watch my pointer. What's this word? Cats. What's this one? Caps. And rats. Rats. What does the S what sound does that have at the end? Just like an S sound, okay? Tomorrow we're going to practice the different S sound, okay? Guys, I need you, when I call you, to bring me your papers. You'll bring me your papers and clean up and be ready for calendar and weather. All right?